take a peaceful stroll through the forest. A place filled with pure beauty and thriving life. Design that harmonizes with all life in the forest, capturing the true essence of nature. A shimmering light flows along the surface, catching your eyes. Sometimes, wind becomes the ripples. Wind lets the forest breathe and naturally flows around your surroundings. Experience nature's wind in your own home. Walk in the forest.